Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Luis made a request in the comments for genuine parts. Thank you, Luis, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $18 billion, Genuine Parts is a S&P 500 company within the specialty retail industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 4.2%. Earnings growth, 6.3%. Earnings estimates, 4.6%. Return on capital, 10.16%. Debt to free cash flow, 3.23 years. Share buybacks, yes. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.75%. Payout ratio, 45.94%. Growth rate, 4.76%. Growth years, 65 years. That gives Genuine Parts 6 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate this company as a position for your dividend portfolio. Now, let's take a look at the current stock valuation. Based on historical multiples and future estimates from GuruFocus.com, Genuine Parts is fairly valued. At FastGraphs.com, we can see that analysts estimates a total annual return of 14.4% compared to the normal valuation over a 10-year period. What's your thoughts on Genuine Parts in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please leave a like and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.